What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to buzz your own hair. The good news is this is very easy. All you need to do is buy a buzzer and buzz your hair. So that's it for this video. Just kidding. It's a little bit more complicated than that, but not by much. First, we need the buzzer. In this box will be the buzzer as well as several clips of different lengths. I'll show you right now. This buzzer kit I have called Wahl, I got from Amazon. You can find the link in the description below. It comes with instruction manuals on how to use it, the main buzzer that plugs into the wall, as well as these clippers with different lengths. So it starts with a number half to 1 all the way up to 8. The higher the number, the longer your hair will remain. It also comes with this oil that you're supposed to lubricate the trimmer with after each use, a right guard and a left ear guard. These I don't really use, a brush, and this ear trim guide right here, which I also don't really use. If this is the first time you're buzzing your hair and you don't know what number to begin with, always start with the higher number. The higher number means it will leave more hair on your head. So, for example, start with the number 8. If you don't hear anything, or you don't see your hair getting shorter, then go to 7, then go to 6, and so on. It's better to cut a little bit of hair at a time so you can adjust the length rather than take too much hair out at once. I started with a number 2, and then went to a number 1, and then went to a number half. Between these three, I like the number 1 on my head the most. All you have to do is take the trimmer, the number clip you want, and simply snap it on. That's it. Step 1. Step 2 is take the cord, plug it into the wall. Step 3 is turning on the machine by hitting this switch right here. Now this clip, you can see, moves up and down. If you want a closer shave, you make it so the clip looks shorter. If you want a slightly longer shave, you make it longer. I prefer to keep it in the shorter mode. If this is your first time shaving your head and you're worrying about messing up, don't worry. If you're using the same length throughout your whole head, it's not possible to mess this up, because you can just keep on going over the uneven spots in your head over and over again until everything evens out. What I like to do is put some newspaper on the floor so my hair falls directly on the newspaper. This just makes the cleanup afterwards a lot easier. I try to make sure all of the hair or most of it falls onto the newspaper. So my setup ends up looking something like this, and I'll sit directly on the stool. And it's really as easy as Alright, I'm done. How does it look? The easiest way to buzz your hair is just start from the front and move the buzzer to the shape of your head. I go about 3/4 of the way back, so from the top of my head to 3/4 of the way. And you can really hear when your hair is getting buzzed and when it's getting cut by the sound. And then you'll obviously see hair on the ground. So basically, you just move the buzzer to the contour of your head and just shape it there, move it a little bit to the right, and now move it a little bit more to the right, until you go around your whole head. Now I like going over the same spots a couple times so my hair is completely even. When you get to your ear, you can tuck your ear down with your other hand so you have more space for the buzzer. you're going to the back of your head, if you don't have a mirror, it's okay. You just start from the bottom of your neck and just go up all the way through the top of your head. Now I don't really use a mirror, I just keep on going around my head and just listen to the buzzer. You can hear when the buzzer is actually cutting your hair. So I just keep on going until I don't hear it cutting my hair anymore. Then I'll go to the bathroom to check in the mirror and do some fine tuning there. Pretty close. And there you have it. That's how to buzz your hair at home for free. You save the time for traveling to and from the barbershop. You save the haircut cost each month. You can recoup the cost with one haircut, and then the rest of the haircuts for the remainder of the life of this product is free. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below. This is the benefit of the newspaper. As you can see, most of my hair falls directly onto the newspaper, and cleanup is a breeze. All I need to do is fold this up and throw it into the trash.